Dear friends, we are in a situation which is unprecedented in nature. We all know that COVID-19 virus has created havoc across the world. We all are vulnerable, and there are standard set of precautions to be taken for all of us to be safe from this dreaded virus. However, amongst us, we have a vulnerable group. These are the patients who are at more risk of developing this virus. These include elderly individuals, people with hypertension, diabetes, those who have heart problem, lung problem, kidney disease, and liver disease. While we all know that social distancing norms have been put into the place, there are three basic tenets. As this virus primarily spreads from cough and sneezing droplets, which can go up to about 6 feet or 2 meters in distance, it is necessary that we now learn to maintain a distance of 2 meters between all of us. Normally, we touch our face, nose, mouth and eyes for about 20 times in an hour without us knowing it. That habit needs to be broken. We have to consciously avoid touching our face. Hand washing, as the surface of the virus is vulnerable to soap, if a proper hand washing is done for about 20 seconds, we can be sure that this virus does not get transmitted to us back again. So hand washing, social distancing, and avoiding touching face, nose, ear and mouth are the important components of prevention from this virus. As I said, there are certain subgroups, and amongst liver disease also, those are the patients who are on immunosuppressants. Their immunity is low, their fighting capacity to infections are low, and these subgroup of patients are those who have undergone a liver transplantation and they are on treatment for liver transplantation, or a subgroup of patients, those who are receiving drugs like steroid tablets or immunosuppressants like azathioprine tablet, which is also known as Azoran. These patients require a special prevention measures as compared to the general public or those who are vulnerable groups. These are called as shielded group of patients, and ideally they should avoid traveling in public. At home also, preferably if possible, they should stay in a separate room where there is a minimal contact with the people in the family. Only essential contacts, that is for food and other supplies, needs to be kept, otherwise other contacts to be avoided. They should not go out for grocery shopping. They should not go out for walks as of now. These walks to be done inside the house itself. There's another aspect which probably we have not discussed much, is that this virus gets shed in our feces or stools. So those who are shielded patients preferably use a separate toilet at home as compared to the rest of the people. These measures will help us reduce the chances of transmission and provide the safety of infection against the coronavirus. I hope you all stay home, stay safe and stay healthy. Thank you so much for your patient listening.